Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Finance redefined. DeFi market fell off the cliff in Q2, but there's hope. Welcome to Finance Redefined, your weekly task of key decentralized finance or DeFi insights, a newsletter crafted to bring you some of the major developments over the last week. The past week, the DeFi ecosystem saw several new developments despite a bearish pace brought on by the lending crisis in the crypto market. Another crypto lender, Celsius, with high stake in DeFi protocols, filed from bankruptcy. The overall DeFi market fell to new lows in the second quarter. However, a new report indicates users haven't given up hope.
Now I sleep.
BNB Chain launched a new decentralized application or DApp platform with an alarm feature. Vermont state regulator opened an investigation into troubled crypto lender Celsius, deeming it deeply insolvent. A DeFi researcher has predicted that Ethereum proof of stake or POS can help Ether or ETH overtake Bitcoin or BTC. The DeFi token saw a new flow of bullish momentum over the past couple of days, owing to a market-wide green momentum after the inflation data release. Despite the DeFi market suffering a 74.6% market cap decline in Q2, user activity has remained relatively resilient, says CoinGecko. In a report published by the crypto data aggregator on Wednesday, CoinGecko reported that overall DeFi market cap fell from US dollar 142 million to 36 million US dollar over the second quarter, due mainly to the collapse of Terra and its stablecoins, Terra USD Classic or USDC in May. BNB Chain has launched a new platform, DAppBay, to discover new Web3 projects. DAppBay is equipped with novel features called Red Alarm, which assess project risk level in real time and alert users of potential risky dApps. According to a Thursday announcement, Red Alarm is a contract risk scanning tool offered by DAppBay that helps users identify high-risk projects to protect their investment from rug pulls and scams. Users can check if a contract address has theoretical fraud or fraud risk by entering it into the Red Alarm feature. Vermont Department of Financial Regulation of the FR issues a warning against troubled crypto lending firm Celsius on Tuesday, reminding users that the crypto lending firm is not licensed to offer its service in the States. The DFR alleged the Celsius is deeply insolvent and doesn't possess assets and liquidity to fulfill its obligation toward the customer. The state regulator accused the crypto lender of mismanaging customer funds by allocating them toward risky and liquid investment. As Ethereum shifts into POS, a DeFi researcher has argued that the platform can overtake Bitcoin thrones as the top dog in crypto. In a Twitter thread, researcher Vivek Raman highlighted that the upcoming Ethereum merge could create a better economic structure for a smart contract platform. According to Raman, the shift into POS lowered Ether inflation, gives better security and position the crypto as a digital bond. Analytical data reveals that DeFi's total value lock registered into a minor dip from the past week, falling a value of 56.45 billion US dollar. Data from Cointelegraph Market Pro and TradingView shows that DeFi top 100 tokens by market capitalization had a mixed week with several tokens trading in red while a few other registered even double-digit gains. AAV or AAVE was the biggest gainer among the top of 100 with a 30% rise over the past week, followed the Uniswap of UN.
So thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.